gone. Bet you wish you just held on, yeah. She's an original, original.